Welcome to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into a powerful technique called chain of thought prompting. This method is all about encouraging artificial intelligence to reason through problems step by step, rather than guessing the answer immediately. First, let's quickly review how standard prompting works. Usually, you give the model an input, like a simple question about the capital of France. The model looks for patterns in its training data and directly generates the output. For simple facts, this works perfectly. However, standard prompting often fails when we introduce complex logic or math. Look at this example. We ask a word problem about tennis balls. The AI sees the numbers 5, 2, and 3 and tries to combine them quickly, often guessing the wrong answer, like 27, because it didn't take the time to calculate the intermediate steps. This is where chain of thought prompting comes in. It is a technique that forces the AI to explain its reasoning before giving a final answer. By breaking a big problem into smaller links in a chain, the model can navigate through the logic without getting lost. Let's compare the results side by side. On the left, the standard prompt fails because it rushes to a conclusion. On the right, using chain of thought, the model explicitly writes out 2 means 6 balls and then adds that to the original 5. By showing its work, it arrives at the correct answer of 11. You can start using this immediately with a technique called zero-shot chain of thought. You don't need to write complex code. Simply add the magic phrase, "Let's think step by step," to the end of your prompt. This simple instruction triggers the model to enter reasoning mode. For even harder problems, we use few-shot chain of thought. This means showing the model examples of how you want it to think. By providing 1 or 2 examples of a question, followed by a step-by-step explanation, the model learns to mimic that pattern for the new question you ask it. Why should you use this? 3 main reasons. First, it drastically improves accuracy on math and logic tasks. Second, it offers transparency. You can read the model's thoughts to see if its logic is sound. And third, it unlocks the ability to solve complex, multi-stage problems that were previously impossible for the model. To wrap up, standard prompting is great for facts but weak on logic. Chain of thought fixes this by enforcing step-by-step reasoning. Remember the magic phrase, "Let's think step by step," and use examples when you need the highest accuracy. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.